The cosmic space wolf teaches that your existential essence is eternal and cyclically ascendant. The behavior one exhibits extends into eternity. Therefore, one's own actions become their reward or their punishment for eternity. The cosmic space wolf gives clarity, tranquility, and peace, such that one might understand the extension of their behavioral path. Existence, therefore, is eternal until the behavioral path reaches ascension, which occurs with the perfect alignment of behavior and existence, leading to the ascendancy to the dome of existence and the pathway towards the void pool and the space wolf.